Omega Kids TV. Please subscribe it and press bell icon for notification. Farm animals' name and their sound. Cow sound moo. Sheep sound bleat or baa. Goat sound maa or bleat. Dog sound bark. Cat sound meow. Horse sound neigh. Pig sound oink oink. Rooster sound crow. Duck sound quack quack. Camel sound grunt. Donkey sound bray or hee haw. Bull sound bellow. Buffalo sound grunt. Thanks for watching Omega Kids TV. Bye.